Well, a very good morning, students. Students, today we are going to study chapter number 5 of SST, and the name of the chapter is Food We Eat, यानी कि खाना जो हम खाते हैं. So in this chapter, beta, we will learn about the popular food grains in India and factors influencing the food habits and food grains eaten in different regions. Beta, as we all know that Indian food consists of a variety of regional and traditional cuisines. Because of the diversity in soil, climate, culture and occupation, the food vary from place to place. Okay, so let's start the chapter. We all need food to live. हम सबको जिंदा रहने के लिए खाने की ज़रूरत होती है. People living in different parts of India eat different kind of food. Yes, as I told you in the previous chapters also, that India is famous for its diversity, for its diversity, be it religion, be it caste, be it culture, be it clothing, be it language, or be it its food. Okay, so India is famous for its diversity. So the type of food one eat depends upon the landform, climate and the crops grown in the region one lives. तो जो फूड हैबिट्स हैं हमारे इंडिया में लोगों की, तो वो इन सारे फैक्टर्स के ऊपर डिपेंड करती हैं, लैंडफॉर्म, क्लाइमेट और जो उस एरिया में, जो उस रीजन में जो क्रॉप्स ग्रो करते हैं. ओके, वीट, राइस, मेज, ज्वार एंड बाजरा आर द मोस्ट पॉपुलर फूड ग्रेन्स इन इंडिया. ये हमारे इंडिया के बहुत ही पॉपुलर फूड ग्रेन्स हैं, वीट, राइस, मेज, ज्वार एंड बाजरा. ओके, सो ओके Beta, as we all know that food in India are better known for its spiciness. Throughout India, be it north or south, spices are used generously in food, and every single spice used in Indian dishes carries nutritional and medicinal properties as well. हम लोगों में मसाले बहुत इस्तेमाल होते हैं और हर एक मसाले की एक मेडिसिनल और एक न्यूट्रिशनल प्रॉपर्टी है. The spices which we use. India is also known for its spices which are used in its food or in its cuisines. So let's start, beta. Okay, I'm giving you a little bit of knowledge regarding the food of different states. तो अगर हम कश्मीर से शुरू करेंगे, from the northern part of India, we start from here. तो in northern India, Kashmiri cuisines, or in Kashmir mostly, all the dishes are prepared around the main course of rice, as it is found in large quantity over there. Another delicious item cooked here is the saag. That is prepared with a green leafy vegetable known as haq. Okay, so on the other hand, if we talk about states like Punjab, Haryana and UP, so they in these states high consumption of chapatis are there. As we also live in Uttar Pradesh, we also live in the northern part of India, so we eat chapatis more than rice. We prefer eating chapatis more than rice. Okay, so chapatis are prepared with different type of flour like besan and maida and wheat flour as well, right? तो चपातीज अलग अलग तरीके के आटों से बनती हैं, तो डिफरेंट तरीके के वी यूज़ ऑल दीज टाइप ऑफ फ्लोर इन मेकिंग चपातीज. ओके, So major food grains eaten in different regions of India are North India में wheat, East India rice, West India millets and wheat, and South India rice again. Okay, so favorite food grains in North India, people eat more wheat and rice. As I told you that in northern part of India, we prefer eating wheat than rice. Of course, we consume both the things, but wheat a little bit more than rice. Okay, this is because both wheat and rice are grown in large quantities in the northern plains. In the northern plains, both wheat and rice, they are grown in large quantities. Okay, so we consume both the things. Jowar, bajra and wheat are popular in the desert state of Rajasthan. If we talk about Rajasthan, western Indian food, then jowar, bajra and wheat are popular in these states. Because here an immense variety of dal and achar is also used, especially in Rajasthan and in Gujarat, because that substitute the lack of vegetable in these areas. Okay, in other parts of India, rice is a popular food grain eaten by the people. Now let's talk about these food grains. Like wheat is given, rice given, oat, barley जिसे हम जौ भी कहते हैं, and maize, भुट्टा, and then rice, and then sorghum, that is chara, and millets. Okay, that is bajra. So in other parts of India, rice is a popular food grain eaten by the people. People living in the eastern and southern states eat more rice because it is grown in greater quantity in these states. Some of these states are Odisha, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Right, in these states, beta, because the rice are grown in greater quantity, that is why the rice is the main or the staple food of these states. East, if we talk about East Indian food, like if we talk about in Bengal or in Assam, people eat rice, and especially in Bengal, people eat rice and fish. Bengalis love eating variety of fishes, and one more very unusual ingredient is commonly used in Bengal, beta, that is called as it is called as bamboo shoot. And as we all know that Bengali sweets are also very famous. And most of the sweets are prepared with milk, and some of the names of those sweets are Rasgulla and Sandesh and Cham Cham and many more are there, right? So okay, beta, one important point is given over here. Rice is eaten by maximum number of people in the world. Okay, do you know that? Okay, so people in coastal areas mostly eat rice and fish. हमारे coastal areas के लोग जो हैं वो ज़्यादातर rice and fish खाना पसंद करते हैं. People prefer to eat more of the food grains that are grown in the area where they live. होता ये है कि जो people जिस एरिया में रहते हैं, जिस रीजन में रहते हैं, तो वो उस रीजन के ही फूड ग्रेन्स को खाना प्रेफर करते हैं. ओके, विच आर कॉमनली ग्रोन इन दैट पर्टिकुलर एरिया. नाउ फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स. नाउ बेटा, basically there are two type of if we categorize eating habits, then basically they are of two type, that is vegetarians and non-vegetarians, right? The people who prefer eating vegetables and fruits, they are called as vegetarians, and the people who eat meat, egg and fish, they are called as non-vegetarians. Okay, so now let's move on. Now pulses like arhar, moong, urad and masoor are eaten all over the country. Yes. अब now if we talk about अरहर दाल को हम इंग्लिश में कहते हैं pigeon peas, and masoor dal is called as red lentil, and moong dal is called as split green gram, and urad dal is called as split black gram. Okay, so these are also very common in different parts of India. They also eat a lot. Okay, so farmers in different states grow different type of fruits and vegetables. Now come to fruits and vegetables. तो different states में हमारे farmers जो हैं वो different type की fruits and vegetables they grow. And many fruits and vegetables are available throughout the year. इसमें से बहुत से fruits and vegetables जो हैं वो हमें पूरे साल मिलते हैं, but there are some fruits and vegetables which are available only in some seasons. और इसमें से बहुत से ऐसे भी हैं जो सीजनल होते हैं, जो सिर्फ एक पर्टिकुलर सीजन में ही हमको देखने को मिलते हैं. ओके, सम ऑफ द वेजिटेबल्स दैट आर अवेलेबल थ्रू आउट द ईयर आर पोटैटोज एंड ब्रिंजल एंड कैबेज, टोमेटो, कॉलीफ्लावर, अनियन, लेडी फिंगर एक्सेट्रा. We can get these vegetables throughout the year. They are not considered as seasonal. Whenever we go to the market in any season, we are going to get these vegetables. Okay, but okay, now some fruits are available throughout the year, such as banana and apple. They are available throughout the year, and some of the fruits are seasonal, like okay, mango. Just now the season of mango is going on. And in northern part of India, like in UP only, now we can see a wide variety of mangoes. जितनी wide variety हमारी UP में mango की देखने को मिलती है, किसी और state में इतनी variety नहीं देखने को मिलती है. And Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh are famous for a wide variety of apples, and Uttar Pradesh is famous for the best variety of mangoes. Of course, that's what I have told you just now. And the district of Nagpur in Maharashtra is famous for oranges. Yes, Nagpur is very famous for oranges. Now beta, okay, just I have told you just now that the food which is eaten in different states, as I have told you about Rajasthan and Gujarat, that immense variety of dal and achar pickle is used because that substitute the lack of vegetable in these areas. And then if we talk about Bengal, then people prefer eating rice and fish over there, right? And in Kashmir, rice and haq is eaten. Now if we talk about Maharashtra, then Maharashtra food is a mix of both north as well as south cooking styles. Here people use both rice and wheat. Along the coastline of Mumbai, a wide variety of fishes is available. So some of the delicious preparations include dishes like Bombay prawn and many more are there, right, in Maharashtra. And if we move a little bit towards south, means if we talk about Goa, so in Goa the Portuguese influence is there in the cooking style. Okay, so let's come on the next topic, that is type of food. Now, meat, egg, and fish are also popular among a large section of Indians. Yes, as I have told you, कि एक large section of Indians जो है, they prefer eating meat, egg, and fish. And people who eat meat, egg, and fish are called as non-vegetarians. Those who live in the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Kerala, West Bengal, and Andhra Pradesh eat a lot of fish. जो इन एरियाज़ में जो लोग रहते हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा फ़िश खाना प्रेफर करते हैं. दे लाइक टू ईट फ़िश विद राइस, और उनको मछली के साथ राइस खाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So many spices, as I've told you about spices, that Indian food is famous for its spiciness as well, and most of our spices have got medicinal properties as well. So many spices which makes the food tasty and colorful are also grown in India. The most common spices are chilies and cloves and turmeric and pepper. And yes, one more important ingredient which is used in our food is oil, of course. Without oil, the food is incomplete. We can never imagine our dishes without oil. So oil which is used for cooking our food, which is common in India, are some of the popular oils used in India are ghee, mustard oil, groundnut oil, and coconut oil. Okay, so beta, just now I have told you about the food which is very common in different states of India, because this chapter is about the food we eat only. So just now we have discussed about the different food. Yes, okay, let me tell you about one more state like Karnataka, right? So main food items are jowar and wheat rotis, accompanied by a variety of spicy curries, pickle, and buttermilk. Yes, and dominated by steamed rice and ragi, that is finger millet. ये कर्नाटका का है. I've told you about various states. I've told you about the food of various states. Okay, so the chapter is finished over here, beta. So the keywords: the food grains, wheat, rice, maize and millets, pulses, seeds of arhar, moong, masoor, beans, peas and lentils, and spices: chilies, pepper, cloves, turmeric, and cardamom. Okay, so beta, the cardamom, the chapter is finished over here. So I hope you have what I have explained. I think you people have you people have understood what I have explained right now. So this chapter is finished. That is chapter number 5. But in the next turn, I'm going to send you the book work of this chapter. So okay, bye for now, beta, and take care.